Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into our video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Twitter not showing error or Twitter not loading error. So if you want to fix something like this, like if you have this error on your X Twitter, what you can do is check up your internet connection first of all. If you are successfully joined to a internet Wi-Fi connection, then it's alright. Go to the App Store and Play Store and search for X Twitter. Make sure that the app is updated. If not, just update it first. Once it is updated, what you can do is go to the X, hold on it, and go to the I button where all of the app details will appear. Refresh the X application, and after that, go to the storage, go to the clear data, and clear all the cache. Once you clear the cache, open up the X mobile application. If that problem still appears, just reinstall the app, and that should definitely work. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.